Welcome to another episode of Yardman's To Do. So today I'm going to share with you how I painted my motorcycle. And if you know anything about painting, you would know that a paint job like this, whether it's for a car, van, truck, motorcycle, or whatever, would cost you hundreds of dollars, possibly even thousands. But I'm going to show you exactly how I did it for literally under $100. Let's go over to the workshop / garage / front of the house. So these are the materials I used to complete this project. That's correct. Spray paint, Rust-Oleum spray paint, high performance professional Rust-Oleum. This actually comes in a variety of different colors. For this project, I use obviously red, green, yellow, and black. For the sandpaper, I use 3M 320 grits. This will smooth out any rough areas that you have. After the 300 grit, I also use a 800 grit, which gives a much smoother finish and allows better application of the spray paint. Okay, now let's get into the good stuff. As you can see, fairings are off. The bike is completely stripped down. I painted the gas tank and the front fender earlier. But take a look at the chrome on the frame itself. You have a little chrome here, a cap down here that's blue, and this cap here is actually gold. So I am not a fan of chrome. So I decided to paint all of this black. Now for this, I use the high heat Rust-Oleum paint. This is the high heat paint that normally is used for outside grills, barbecue pits, and so forth. Today, it's for the motorcycle. So here it is. Frame and caps painted. No more chrome, thank God. Now let's get to the fairings itself. As you can see, there's a nice high gloss finish. There is absolutely no polyurethane applied here. This is strictly all Rust-Oleum high performance spray paint. This is actually 2 coats of paint on each piece. This spray paint will actually dry to the touch in only 15 minutes. It will dry to the touch in 15 minutes, 2 hours to actually handle, and 24 hours to dry completely. So here it is, my motorcycle paint job for under $100. As you can see, I added a few sticker decals, including the block letters. And just a reminder, guys, I am not a painter. I am not a professional. So you yourself can complete a project like this. Thank you once again for tuning in to another episode of Yardman's To Do. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and hit that like button. See you next time.